Hi, good morning. Here we are at the Lawton Child's Leadership Core. My name is Michael Wynn and I will be reviewing today's tutorial, how to create your blog on the lclc.worcestofirst.org site. First thing you'll want to do is go ahead and log in to the site, assuming you've already created your username and password. Once you log into the site, at the very top there is a login bar that says My Blogs. You'll want to click on the link that says Create a Blog if you have not already done so. So once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your page to create your blog. And the first step will be to give your blog a name. So you'll want to think of the name that you want to have. And again, once you create that and hit save at the bottom of the screen, you won't be able to change the blog name. However, the blog title is something that you can always come back and edit at a later date. Alright, so we have entered our blog name, we've entered the blog title, and then it says, I would like my blog to appear in search engines such as Google and Technorati and in public listings around the site. And we would want to mark that as yes so we can share with the Leadership Core community, and click Create Blog. Alright, congratulations, you have successfully registered a new blog. So you'll want to click on the blog title, and that will bring you to what the public sees, the community sees as far as your blog is concerned. Education needs change now. Just another Lawton Child's Leadership Core web blog. We're going to go in and change that. Notice over here your pages, the archives, the different categories, blog role, metadata. We're going to talk about that. This section is actually the section where the blog widgets are found, and we'll go in and do some customization there. And this area here is where your actual blog will show up. So we wanted to look at that just from what it looks like now and compare it to what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so let's go back to the gray navigation bar, hover over Education Needs a Change or title, and then click on Dashboard. And we're going to go back into that section that we talked about where the widgets are located, which is the right hand side of your blog. So you'll notice that there is a sidebar, and this is where currently the information is stored. So let's drag, we're just going to click and drag over a calendar and put my calendar and hit save. And then let's do members, and members is actually the members. Oops, before we do that we need to close that and just click on members and drag it over. You'll see the little dotted box lets you know it's ready for you to let go. And max members to show, let's show that to 10 and hit save. And then let's look for, what else do we want? We could also add site-wide activity. This is a good one. Again, we're just going to take this, now you can see I just dropped that right in the box. I'm going to change this to 20. So this is showing site-wide activity. These are comments made by LCLC members, or posts or comments, people writing on their wire, those types of things. So I'll hit save. Okay. Alright, so to go look at what we've created so far, you're going to see a pretty significant change. So I'm going to click on either Visit Site or Education Now. So when we come back to look at the home page for our site, we can see that the calendar has been added. Just wanted to show you a couple of quick widgets to put in the side of your blog. Now we want to go back and actually show you how to create your blog entry. So we're going to click on, again, education, dashboard, and then click on new post. Right, so I have the title of my post. I've also already written this article out, so I'm going to go where it's located and I'm going to copy this text. You could be copying this from maybe another blog that you already have, or from a Word document, different things like that. You could select that text, Control C, which is copy, and then go back to your post and paste that in, and there is your information. Now here you'll notice that you've got some regular editing tools such as bold, italics, and you can do that right on the screen. Of course you can edit this if you want to kind of, you get to a place and you don't quite ready to publish it, you can click on Save Draft, and that will save your page so that you can come back later and work on it. Let's say that you have a image that you want to put at the top of the page. You can just click here and notice the cursor's blinking there. I can either click on Add an Image or Add a Media. Either one of those will work, so I'm going to click on Add an Image, and this little box pops up here, and I can go into my computer. Alright, and then I just click Upload. Social media icons, that looks perfect. And then I just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page here. I'm gonna notice it's a full size. You can try that. I'm gonna bring it down to a medium. Don't need it to be into post. Great. Click on Edit Image, and then here you have the choice of placing the text to the left, in the center, or on the right. So I'm going to choose this layout, and you'll notice now the text sort of wraps around the image, and then just click on Update, and then you can see that that information has been updated. Alright, and then let's say that I wanted to add a YouTube video to this as well that I thought was appropriate. So I'm going to place that YouTube video just after the text in this location. So I've got my blinking cursor. I'm just going to click on the YouTube video, and it says embed a video from YouTube. I click on that, and it's asking me for the URL. So I'm going to jump over real quick to YouTube. I'm going to grab that URL. I'm going to copy that, and hit OK. And notice it just has this language like here. It doesn't actually show the YouTube until you post it, but we'll do that in just a minute. So I've got my picture, I've got my words, I've got my YouTube video ready to go. Just before we go to post, there's a couple of quick things that we want to do. Number one is we want to tag our articles. So I've tagged this one Education, Worst to First, LCLC, and Leadership Core. And this is how the community is going to search your blog, by those subject matters. The next thing we want to do is categorize the blog, and I've used those the same words that I used in my tags, I've used in my categories, and so I've done that. And that's how Google and Bing will find our articles. So I have everything ready to go, and I'm going to hit Publish, and I'm going to click Visit Site, and that'll take me back to the public page where everyone can see what our new blog post looks like. So thank you for tuning in to the tutorial on how to create your blog. Don't forget to check the Leadership Training Center for our next tutorial. Have a great day.